Guys, Rob Robillard. We're here at the World of Concrete at the Bosch event, Bosch booth, and I'm here with Scott, and we're talking about their new impact wrench. Scott, can you tell a little bit about it?
Yeah, this is our new 330 foot-pound impact wrench, so it has a 1/2-inch square drive. Also, on the modes, we have three speeds, and then we have 2 additional modes for user applications.
So the modes are all in here?
Yes,
and
so
the
we
speeds
have
are there?
3 speeds right here. The modes, you can to auto bolt release, so if you're spinning it off, you won't be dropping the nut.
I'd love to try this. Let's give it a shot. It's been pre-drilled. And it stops automatically. It's awesome.
Yeah, and you're flush.